Be welcome. Let's dedicate this meditation to harmonize emotional tension. Let's bring our awareness to the breath. Pay attention how it moves in and out. And although we may feel emotional right now, although we may feel agitated, let's try to bring our awareness, direct our awareness to the movement of the breath, how it moves in and how it goes out. Just observe, is it shallow or deep? And acknowledge that just by being aware, already something changing. Just by shifting awareness from thoughts and emotion to the movement of the breath, there is already a sprout of wellness starting to sprout within you. So try to resist the tendency of the mind to pull back into the difficulties, into the problems, and just stay with the breath. Simply observe how it moves in and goes out. And let's expand the awareness to acknowledge that the breath doesn't start in the nose or the mouth. Energetically, it starts in the whole creation. So when you inhale, acknowledge that. Try to visualize that you're breathing from everywhere into your body. And when you're exhaling, acknowledge that you're exhaling back into the whole creation. And as wide as you can visualize the infinite creation, the emotion and the tension currently within you will soften. When you inhale, visualizing that you're inhaling a beautiful life force, a pure energy that enters and soothes you from inside, from within. Makes you feeling soft. When you're exhaling, invite all the tension accumulated in your emotional system, in your nervous system, in your physical form, to transform into light and shine out like the most beautiful, gorgeous sun. And then let's move to observing the physical sensation which the emotion created within us. Maybe you feel tension in your chest, a sense of maybe you want to cry, or maybe you feel tension in your solar plexus, as if something is pushing. Whatever you feel emotionally, wherever you feel it in the body, Try to bring the breath to that area, as if you're mixing this pure energy you're pulling from the whole creation, and invite that beautiful energy to soften the heaviness you're feeling right now. And exhale it to expand and to be diffused into the whole creation as pure light. Thank you for joining this meditation. Have a beautiful, blessed day.